Cell structure and microorganisms. Let's recall what is the name of the minute components of which the body of a living organism is made. Is the number of these smallest units the same in the bodies of all living organisms? Cell. We have learnt that cellular organization is the primary characteristic of all living organisms, and that the cell is the fundamental structural and functional unit of living organisms. We see the structural organization of a book in the above flow chart. Similarly, there are organizational levels in living organisms too. These are cells, tissues, organs, organ systems, organisms. Cells form the basis of the structure and function of all living organisms. It is only with the help of cells that living organisms carry out all their different life processes. Great scientist. In 1665, a scientist, Robert Hooke, observed a thin section of cork under a microscope. In this section, he saw hexagonal compartments like those of a beehive. He named these compartments cells. This term is derived from the Latin word cella, which means small room. In 1838, the two scientists M. J. Schleiden and Theodore Schwann formulated a theory about cellular structure which stated all the living organisms are made up of cells and the cell is the fundamental component of living organism. In 1885, Rudolf Virchow stated that all cells are formed from pre-existing cells. Measurement and observation of cells. In 1673, Anton van Leeuwenhoek assembled various lenses to construct a microscope. He was the first to observe live bacterial and protozoan cells under the microscope. Cells are extremely minute in size. We cannot see cells with naked eye. Micrometer and nanometer are the units used for measuring their sizes. The compound microscope is used for observing cells. An object on a glass slide magnified many times by the lenses of this microscope